basically what I mean about the noise of the aircraft. Those Eurojet EJ200 engines. It's supported by the Rolls-Royce, the British company. The engines were derived from the XG40 prototype engine, and they deliver up to 50% more thrust than the R9 engines that are in the Tornado that is currently in service for the RAF. They have about half as many components, which saves weight, and it really does increase the thrust and the performance of the Typhoon as Charlie finishes the second half of the low-speed Cuban 8. This aircraft we're seeing here is an operational aircraft in both the air-to-air and air-to-surface role. Typhoons are currently on quick reaction alert at RAF Coningsby to protect the southern half of the UK's airspace, and that's a role we've done since April this year. And we've also declared the Typhoon operationally ready for air-to-surface operations, which makes the Typhoon now a multi-role combat fighter. Executed a nice leading going on. Very good opportunity this time with a going turn, moving away from some high speed, high G turns, then going into the horizontal 8. Appreciation by waving, ladies and gentlemen, you can see you. That's great. Just come around the corner there now. We're going to move into a little bit more of a vertical part of the display now, where it really does show off some of the performance and the climb rate of the Typhoon. Charlie just coming round now, he's just come back onto the V-axis and he's going to perform an on-crowd VD barrel roll, which is another great photo opportunity here. You'll see the glint of the green in the cockpit there, which is the head-up display. It's a twin-seat trainer aircraft. Also in RAF service is the Typhoon F2 and also the FDR3 that is now the operational capability aircraft for most of the role. Executing now the penultimate manoeuvre of this show. Charlie just completing the fast Cuban 8 there. What he's about to do now is about to put the power down one more time down the cloud line for a vertical departure. Ladies and gentlemen, please have your cameras and your hands clapping for the 2008 RAF Typhoon display. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an absolute pleasure to be here at Shoreham today, and what a great day we've had. We'll be back here tomorrow. Slightly of you who might be interested now. Scramble calls. To the fleet scramble. Let's not forget that in 1940, much of this action would have been taking place at altitude, not at low altitude where we can all see it,
possibly to 20,000 feet even, and over the south coast.